High performance place. Communication is important. Pilots. Look at a team na hindi nagko-communicate. Tingnan mo, may nabubuong away dyan kahit mahal nila isa't isa. When you succeed, you don't focus naman bakit ka masaya eh. You enjoy it. Think about it. You allow things to happen. You are vulnerable. Ang saya mo. Inom ka dito. Ayaw mong kumanta pero kakanta ka 0, 2, 3, 0. No, kakanta ka na, gonna be golden. No? Kahit ang taas, no? Versus pag nag-fail ka, ano mong ginagawa when you fail? Bakit? Ano nangyari? What happened? Nag-o-observe ka lang pag failure. Kaya nga most people only learn from the failures. I'm here to tell you, let's learn from success as well. If what you are doing is working, journal it. Pay attention. Because most of us only pay attention to the failure and pain. So alam mo kung bakit ka nasaktan, pero hindi mo alam kung ano nagpapasaya sa'yo. So that's the third part of pattern mastery. That's pattern creation. So if it's working, maganda tong ginawa natin. Let's duplicate that. What happened the whole day? Right. I started my day with this. Nag-jogging ako, ginawa ko to. Ito yung nagawa kong task. Habang ginagawa ko yung task, intentional ako, happy ako. Boom, I'm gonna duplicate that. Let's create an SOP out of that. Oh guys, here's the pattern. Boom, gayahin nyo. Tingnan natin kung gagana sa inyo. That's pattern creation. So now, you have a stash or you have this, you have information na, okay, if this happens to me, I know what to do. Right? Sino dito yung ganyan? Yung alam mo naman sa sarili mo, you have a go-to, peaceful place or person or thing that you do. Kapag sagad na sagad ka, meron kang ginagawa o pinupuntahan. It can be food. It can be spa. It can be pamper time. Sa mga lalaking masculine dyan, yung mga kagaya kong violente yung pinanggalingang past, no? We do boxing, no? We do boxing, we do Muay Thai. Parang, kulit ang kulit ko, no? Alam mo yun? So, meron tayong kanya-kanya, you know the patterns dapat. Kasi magkakaiba tayo. Are you with me still? Tapos alam mo yung patterns mo, na-recognize mo na, pag parang ito na ako ulit Kasi kami sa team ko, may ganyan kami. Kino-call out namin isa't isa. Or honest din sila, sir, bumabalik ako. Feel ko na, sir, bumabalik ako. Talaga? Kailan pa? Kagabi. Sabay tayo Tara, let's move forward. It's because in a high performance place, communication is important. Pilots, important not? Importante. Naka-comset magkatabi. Ang piloto naka-comset magkatabi. Engines, check. Cabin pressure, check. Nagigets? They double check everything. Ang helicopter ba, pwedeng tumumba, pwedeng mabagsak agad. Naka-comset. Look at a team na hindi nagko-communicate. Tingnan mo, may nabubuong away dyan kahit mahal nila isa't isa. Laging may judgment. Hindi kayo nag-uusap Sa lahat ng kumpanya na natulungan ko, nakausap ko, they seem to have a lot of problems, but most of the time, ang problema lang talaga, communication. Yung problema, lumaki kasi hindi nakarating sa taas. Yung problema, lumaki kasi hindi sinabi. Are you with me? Learning. Okay, next. So pagpasok dito, may false belief. Kumbaga, habang tumatawid ka, gagamitin mo tong tools na to. Teka, hindi na naman ako okay. Ano naman tong binabasag kong beliefs? Is it a wrong belief, a false belief? Is it from the past? Ito na naman ba ako? Okay, I have to break this. The best way for me to break this, kakain ako ng bulldog or basketball ako or boxing ako or gym ako. For me, this is the best way and most affordable way to break the pattern. Ngayon, meron akong goal. Again, may mga small milestones ka. Right? Let's say I hit, for example, a 5 million sale in 1 month. Yun yung metric mo, yun yung KPI mo. Okay. Ito yung i-reward ko sa sarili ko. I'm gonna buy this shit. Deserve ko. Nagigets niyo ako? And then you move forward that way. Pag in-apply mo to, habang tumatawid ka, pwedeng maging smooth yung journey mo. Don't get me wrong. Pwedeng boring, matagal, repetitive, it's okay, but it's gonna be smooth. Because understand this. I want you to understand that slow is smooth, and smooth is fast. Kaya may kasabihan, slow is fast.